Welcome back. A fishing canoe capsized in rough waters at Colva due to windstorm on Sunday. 15 crew members were rescued by the Drishti lifeguards. Crew members are being kept under observation at Hospicio Hospital in Margao. It is known that despite of the warning by the state administration, the members ventured into deep sea. 15 crew members on board were rescued on Sunday by lifeguards at Colva. They had ventured into deep sea for fish catching. While on their return to the shore, the mid-sized canoe was troubled by strong winds. 15 members were rescued safely. The crew members are being kept under observation at Hospicio Hospital. Despite clear warnings by the state administration, the crew members ventured into deep sea. The canoe is owned by Menino Fernandez. All crew members are from Uttarakhand. Mechanized deep sea fishing is expected to begin from 1st of August as the 60-day long ban period gets over. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent. Are the females in Goa police force undernourished? It seems so. Figures from the medical checkup camp say it all. Almost 72 female personnel from the police department had undergone a hemoglobin test at Panji headquarters. Out of 72, 37 were found anemic. Health checkup camp was held at police headquarters in Panji. A pharmaceutical company conducted a hemoglobin test for females considering the deficiency. In all, 72 females from the department got their hemoglobin checkup done. Out of these, 37 were found to be anemic. We contacted Police Medical Officer Dr. Datta Prasad Nagvekar.
50% patient have been found to be deficient in hemoglobin. That means the anemia, the hemoglobin is less than 11%. Based on the diagnosis, the patient has been advised necessary medication and regarding nutritional diet.
What is the reason behind it, you think?
I think most probably the reason could be because the patient are not aware about the nutritional diet, like the balanced diet. They may be having some diet which is deficient in hemoglobin.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Fishing trawlers from outside the state will not be allowed in the Goan Sea. Orders will be strictly followed. Fisheries Minister Avitan Futado has assured that the Navy, Coast Guard and Goa Police will begin patrolling deep sea. He held a meeting with the officials at the Secretariat. The meeting was held against the backdrop of the fishing ban period getting over on 1st August.
We had a meeting with the Coast Guard, then Coastal Police, Navy and everybody because the ban period is getting over on 1st. So now what the trawler owners have to say? That outside boats are coming and fishing in our territory. So now we have alerted the Coast Guards, the Navy and the police just to keep a check that they don't enter our territory. That's the only thing. And now we are trying to hire a vessel from the Fisheries Department itself. One of the trawlers will be taking and we will be going out deep seas with the police as well as Navy because we don't have a vessel now with us. Right now we don't have a vessel. So we will be taking one of the trawlers and going out. Yeah, well, no, at least 3-4 will be taking.
Okay, the routine checkup.
Yeah, now we'll be keeping a thorough check on them. Coast Guard, Navy as well as the police will be.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.